If you want AI to run your ads, you need to create a Meta Ads app, a Meta app, okay? So right now, I don't know how to do that. What I do know how to do is get Claude to do it. And because actually annoyingly complicated to actually get it to work. So I want this business profile, Claude. But what I am doing is I told Claude to use the Claude and Chrome extension and then go and create an app for me. So yeah, go and create a Meta Ads app. And what that will do is give you access to the ads API. You're not going to be able to get AI to run your ads without actually having access directly to an API through them. So Claude is going to go through all the processes that you need to set it up, and then it will write all the things that you need to write. It's actually pretty cool. The only other option that I would give you, which is a paid option, but is very fast, is called Zernio. Zernio. Zernio allows you, so you can come in here and you can sign up. If first of all, you can automate all your social media, so you connect to all of your platforms, and then you have an API access to be able to do that. There's like Blotato, there's some other people that do that out there similar. But what is different about Zernio is they have down here ads. So they actually allow you to connect to every ads platform and use that platform through their developer account. So that way, you don't have to get an actual Meta Ads app to get access directly to their API for ads. But ultimately, I would say if you're an agency, like I've worked with a ton of agencies and they don't have developer access. I've worked with agencies that are running hundreds of accounts. They don't have developer level access. For some things, maybe you don't need to because you're using the client's accounts, things like that. Yes, all. I need to bypass permissions. Bypass permissions, do it all. Some things you don't need, some things you do, but most if you're running ads, if that's part of your business, then I would highly suggest you just going through this. Doing the same thing for Google. Oh, I gotta log in and stuff. Doing the same thing for Google is super important. It's just a little bit more annoying to actually get done. But the two things I want you to take from this is use Claude and Chrome in your browser to just do it all for you. So you don't have to figure it out and then it gets it all done immediately. You can just set it, forget it, and then let it run. And then from there, check out Zernio if you really want to get direct access to API for ads as quickly as possible without having to go through a bunch of red tape. And this allows you to actually be able to run multiple accounts, and it's all automated API. And then head on over to AI. Oh, I'm sorry, to AI ads, aiads.mikey.ai, and I have a whole course and then an actual agent and kit that's attached to the course that will actually run. So you just drop all that into Claude, give it the course access and stuff like that too, and then it will just run everything for you. And then it can walk you through creating actually automations and a ton of amazing stuff. So go on and check that out. Put the link below. Thanks so much. See you in the next video.